Welcome to Rob's Charging Station Reviews, Bathurst. Here we have Bathurst Supercharger, Tesla, and also a non-Tesla DC fast charger over there. So, let's go through our list. I got the list this time, I found it. Location, pretty good. Very close to the highway. The highway is just over there behind these trees. Easy access from the highway, just like literally probably all of 100 metres, 200 metres from the highway. Very easy to access, easy to find, which is good. Food, unfortunately not most of the time. There is a cafe over there, which will you can buy food from. Or on the way in you pass like the usual fast food joints like Macca's, KFC, a Porter, that sort of stuff. So get your food there. 24-hour access is good. So that's high score there. Kid friendly, well yeah, sort of. There's a big sand pit there. If you want to have your kids covered in sand and your car full of sand, fantastic. Hyde looks like a long jump pit. There's a cricket ground, football ground, so plenty of room for kids to run around in, which is great. I think there's also like a museum thing over there as well, in the Visitors Information Centre, so whatever takes your fancy. Long vehicle towing. Well yeah, there's actually that charger right there on the end, which is really good. So if you assume you're towing something, use that one. So that is a rare thing, especially when it comes to Tesla Superchargers, so that's good. Shelter, again, none at all. There is obviously the visitor centre over there, which does provide some shelter, some trees, I guess. But other than that, no shelter. So you're going to get wet if it's raining. Phone coverage, full 5G service here. Fantastic phone coverage, which is good. Ease of finding is, again, really, really good. The benefit of this one here, even though it is a Tesla Supercharger, there's this, the NRMA DC fast charger, which unfortunately at the time of filming is broken. It is a tritium unit. It's a new one as well. The old one is a 50 kilowatt. I think this is a 75. The thing is that it's broken. I can't really tell what the charge rate is on that. So yeah, only one though, unfortunately. So if you haven't got a Tesla, then you're sort of stuck with just a single charger. In this case, it's broken. So overall though, it is quite a popular charger. It's in a good spot, 2 hours out of Sydney. So it's a good run. So I give this one to probably be out, oh yes, toilets. Toilets are over there during business hours. So no toilets 24 hours, so straight away it loses, I think it was 2 points. I think it's 2 points. Or was it 7? Maximum 7 is available if there's no 24-hour toilet. So maximum charge rating for this one is a 7. Spider check? Yes, spiders, check.